So, this is not how the day was supposed to start. The Porsche Turbo is completely locked. The key is useless. New battery? Didn't help. Plan A, give the car some power. We try connecting a booster through the license plate light.
Ситуация кажется почти безвыходной. Но, по-моему, Мирослав, есть какая-то мысль.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, plan B, the turn signal.
Главное не дотронуться между собой, да, чтобы они не дотронулись.
Still dead. Meanwhile, our colleague goes full action movie mode, creates a gap in the window, slides a stick inside, tries the unlock button, tries the door handle. We get inside the car.
Подожди, ну если мы до нее, ну отсюда, наверное, мы добираемся до той. Она же вот так отрабатывает. То есть надо туда попасть. Пролазь-то далеко, блин. Вопрос в том, чтобы ее вверх выпустить.
Yes, there might be a spare key. Locked inside the trunk, under the hood, inside the car. Perfect. Next idea, emergency hood release. Sounds promising, until we realize there's no cable to pull. Victory? Nope, still locked. At this point, we surrender and call EAM Diagnostics. The guy shows up, pulls out a lockpick, and opens the car in under 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's it. Moral of the story? Sometimes calling the right people is the fastest solution.